In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Livestorm using Zapier. This great integration is perfect for those who want to seamlessly manage and automate event planning between these two powerful platforms. Whether you're organizing webinars, meetings, or any event, linking these tools can save you time and effort. To get started, first head on over to Zapier's website. Once you're there, log into your Zapier account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up. It's free to start. After logging in, look for the option to create a Zap. Think of a Zap as a workflow that automates how your apps and services interact with each other. Here, we'll start by setting up the trigger, which will begin the automation. For our case, select Google Calendar as the trigger app. You will then need to pinpoint the specific trigger event you're looking for. In this instance, let's choose New Event, since that's what will prompt the integration to kick in once a new entry is added to your calendar. Now that we've set our trigger, it's time to connect your Google account to Zapier. Follow the prompts to log in and give the necessary permissions for Zapier to access your Google Calendar data. After you've successfully connected your account, choose which calendar you'd like Zapier to monitor. This selection ensures that only the events you specify will prompt actions in Livestorm. With your Google account connected, the next step is to add your action app, which will be Livestorm. Click to select Livestorm as your action app. Here, you decide what you want to happen after the trigger has been activated, such as creating a new webinar. This action can vary based on what you need. For example, you can automate creating an event in Livestorm whenever you add something new to your Google Calendar. To enable this, you'll need to connect your Livestorm account to Zapier. This process is similar to when you connected your Google account. You'll log in and authorize the connection, ensuring Zapier can perform the necessary tasks in Livestorm on your behalf. Once both accounts are successfully linked, it's time for mapping. This involves matching the fields from Google Calendar to the corresponding fields in Livestorm. For instance, if you have an event title in Google Calendar, you'll map it to the webinar title in Livestorm. This mapping allows smooth data transfer between both applications, ensuring your event's details are properly organized. Before wrapping up, it's always a smart idea to test your Zap. Zapier lets you do a test run, so go ahead and verify everything is working as expected. Once you've confirmed all is functioning smoothly, don't forget to turn the Zap on. There you go. Your Google Calendar is now linked to Livestorm via a Zapier workflow, automating event creations and saving you loads of time.